Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products you need to know about. And today, we're bringing you the best turtle basking platform floating dock you can find, the Pawfly Turtle Basking Dock with Ramp. If you've been searching for a reliable, practical, and visually appealing basking solution for your aquatic turtle or semi-aquatic pet, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with the size. The Pawfly Basking Dock is impressively large, measuring 20 inches long, 11 inches wide, and standing 15.3 inches high when fully assembled. That makes it a perfect fit for tanks 30 gallons or larger. If you've got turtles, frogs, crabs, or even newts, this dock is a game changer. The size allows your pets to fully stretch, climb, rest, and bask in comfort, just as they would in their natural habitat. Now here's where things get really smart, the floating design. Thanks to buoyancy channels built into the underside, this platform rises and falls automatically with the water level. Whether your water is as low as 5.5 inches or as high as 15.3 inches, your turtle will always have easy access to its basking area. That means no constant adjustments, no stress for your pet, and consistent basking height at all times. Next, let's talk usability. The ramp on this basking dock is thoughtfully textured and slip-resistant. That means your turtle won't struggle to climb up, even if it's young or a bit clumsy. Plus, there's a built-in feeding well. This clever feature keeps your turtle's food contained in one spot, preventing it from scattering all over the tank and keeping things cleaner, longer. Installation is straightforward and secure. The platform comes with 4 strong suction cups that anchor to the bottom of your aquarium. As long as you clean the suction surfaces before applying them, you'll get a firm and stable attachment. The platform stays in place, no shifting, tipping, or floating away. Now for the aesthetics, this isn't just a functional accessory, it actually looks great too. With a wood grain finish, it adds a natural, decorative touch to your tank. It blends in beautifully with aquatic environments and complements your aquarium's theme, unlike plastic-looking docks that stand out awkwardly. But beyond turtles, this dock is versatile. It's ideal for any semi-aquatic pet that needs a dry spot to rest or warm up. You can instantly convert unused water surface into a functional, cozy retreat, something that enhances both the well-being of your pet and the overall setup of your tank. The Pawfly Turtle Basking Dock checks all the right boxes: generous size, flotation that adapts to water levels, smart ramp and feeding design, solid stability, and a natural, attractive look. It's not just a basking dock, it's a well-designed habitat upgrade that supports your pet's health and brings a polished finish to your aquarium. If you want to give your turtle or aquatic pet the best basking experience out there, the Pawfly Basking Dock should absolutely be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've used this product or want us to cover more aquatic accessories. See you in the next one.